Hey, and welcome. I just wanted to take you through a process of how you could earn and make money online within the next 24 to 48 hours. As long as you put in work, you get set up and you show up to our calls. Now, the page that you're looking at in front of you, it's a it's a capture page that you probably came through. You put in your email and then you went to my email list, and you're on my email list now. And this is how we actually build up a list to build a relationship with people so they know, like, and trust us. So anytime you're selling anything online, this is what you would use, right? And this builder allows you to do multiple different things. It allows you to build out, membership sites, build out websites, build out anything that you need for any kind of opportunity. And it also gives you a $20 a month residual income on top of using the builder. It's $25 a month. It gives you a $20 a month commission. Now, I never knew how to actually make money online until somebody actually broke it down for me. So I'm showing you how you can actually make money in a legitimate, ethical way and something that really works. Now, this system, it it actually allows me to actually manage people who sign up with me. As you can see on the left here, I can manage all these funnels. So what we do in our group is actually help you to be able to set this up and get started, and we also help you to earn online. So if you've never made any money online, it's fine. That's why we're here. We have a very supportive group to help you to be able to learn and earn at the same time. Now, when you came to this page, you're probably wondering what's on the other side, when you click on the button below. Well, I'm going to show you, exactly what this is. This is actually an academy where you're going to learn how to build a business online. You're going to actually learn, all about funnels. You're going to learn how to actually build them out, and then you're going to learn how to get started and how to build any business in 3 simple steps online. You're going to learn how to actually start and build your pages out. And actually, if you have a product or something that you want to sell, you can actually use this to do that. And as you could see right here, you could learn how to actually build something out, so that way you could make money using the internet, and people will find either your content or your YouTube videos or your Facebook. That's how I get traffic, and that's how you can too, to actually make sales and generate sales. So they'll come to a video like the one you're watching right now, and then you could also do an upsell and a downsell. So if they would click on this button, for example, it would have them be able to buy, right? And then if they buy, they might be taken to another page, which is an upsell, and it might offer them something else. So this is an entire funnel that you would get with this system. And basically, being a part of what we're doing, I can help you to be able to make sales as long as you show up and you put in work and effort to do so, right? And I mean, as you can see right here, this is the traffic and conversions portion. This teaches you all about traffic, and we have daily calls, so you'll be able to get on calls daily and learn marketing hands-on over the shoulder, just like I'm showing you what this is about, right? So here's the daily calls. There's 11 different ones during the week. They're at 9 a.m. For the morning call, that's 9 a.m. Eastern time. Then there's 11 a.m. Which teaches you, over the shoulder, hands-on is to take action mastermind, Monday through Friday, and that's 11 Eastern. And then there's the Monday night mastermind, which basically we get on and they pull out people that are getting results, and you actually learn what they're doing in their business to get results. So it's kind of like a group discussion, and this gives you an extra $100 per month. So you'll be making $120 per month per sign up, and it only takes 2 signups to get into profit, right? So only 25 people, and you've made $3 grand per month. But you have to be consistent with it, and you have to follow up, and you have to actually get into our groups and plug in, right? And this right here, I wanted more, so I wanted to go all in, so that way I could earn more. So what this is this is actually the Financial Literacy Academy, and this teaches you how to manage your business in the right way, how to eliminate debt. It teaches you all about how to reduce your taxes and how to keep your records the right way. And it's also going to show you how to actually save on your taxes. And then when you start making money, this is all for investing, and it shows you how to do different things with investments, how to avoid scams, how to invest, how to do car flipping, how to do things like house flipping, stress-free property management, and then how to do asset protection and a lot of stuff to do with property, right? And when I first started online, I had no idea what I was doing. I was getting a bunch of stuff from people. I kept buying product after product, and it was all junk, right? And I never really had hands-on support. And this is one of the best things that I've ever got involved in. This right here gives you a $400 commission. So altogether, it's $520. You don't have to go all in, but I highly suggest going all in and being able to earn that amount of money, and being able to actually use the resources to offer this to other people. And it doesn't matter what they do. And I want to take you over here to some results that a team member of mine got. Monte, he just commented on Facebook right here. But I mean, as you can see right here, he's in our group, the Profit Builders Alliance group, which you'll get access to when you click on the link below and you sign up. We actually help people to make sales, and he's only been in for about 2 months. He has 10 people that signed up with him, and he's already got another all in. So he made over $500 today with just one sign up, which is really amazing. I'm not saying that you're gonna make that amount of money. It depends on your work ethic and how serious you are about going full into a business and actually making it work. But we are here to support you, and you will get the support that you need to actually have results, right? So it is possible for you. I highly suggest that when you get started, you go all in, because it's going to allow you to learn about traffic and conversions and how to do all that stuff, so you never get lost. And you're going to get access to our our Telegram chat, to where you could drop in questions anytime you have questions, and you'll never get lost, right? So yeah, I just wanted to show you that, and I wanted to record this quick video for you. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side. So make sure you click on that button below this video and get started today, because I really want to help you to get results. If you've never had results before, that's fine. You will have your first results as long as you stay consistent and put effort into this. So click on that link below this video, and I will see you on the other side.